By now, you all may have heard this word blockchain a lot of times. It looks like everyone, and maybe everyone in this entire world, knows everything about blockchain and cryptos, and you may think that these people are only roaming around me. Now, folks, that's not true. Actually, there are a few people who know about blockchain and all these technologies, but most of you, including you, are not even aware of what this technology is. And that's okay. That's okay because that is where my job starts. So, folks, what is a blockchain? Now, you may have heard that a million times without knowing what it really means. But I'm going to make it super easy so that your 5-year-old kid will also be able to understand and explain what is a blockchain. So, as you can see, I've zoomed my Google thing so very much just to make a point that the blockchain technology is really, really easy to understand. And the reason why you don't know about it is because no one explained you like a 5-year-old. Okay, but I'm going to do that. And I'm going to give you a very simple example. What is this blockchain technology? So guys, let me take you to this image. If you're an Asian, you can relate to this image so very much. This is a train. And you all know it's a train. But why am I showing a train in blockchain? So let's assume that this, for the first compartment that you can see, where you can see my cursor, is a block, okay? And the metal object that is connecting the other compartment with the first one is a chain. And that's a block, and it is connected with the other block through a chain. And that's a blockchain. Understood? That's the definition. Thank you for attending this lecture. No. Just kidding. Just kidding. No. I'm not kidding about the example. That is exactly what blockchain is. But I'm just kidding that this lecture is over. It's not over. I've still something to explain. So folks, this is what blockchain is all about. If this is the first block, understand this thing. If this is the first block and this is the second block, the thing that is connecting these two blocks is a chain. Okay? So when a chain connects two blocks, it is called blockchain. I know, it's not making any sense to you and you're confused, okay? Let me give you another example. And I believe this is going to be really easy. Now guys, I assume most of you have seen this in your schools. This is the attendance sheet. So whether you're in the United States, whether you're in Canada, Japan, Tokyo, China, Russia, anywhere, this is common. We have the attendance sheet, and in old school times, teacher used to take the attendance for week 1, week 2, and week 3. Now what happened was, after a month was over, a month basically had 4 weeks, and once the month was over, the teacher used to calculate the attendance and used to carry forward it to the next month. Okay, you getting my point? He or she used to carry forward the thing to the next month. That is exactly what the blockchain technology is. Now guys, I'll give you one simple example. Every transaction that takes place, whether it's a purchase of a cryptocurrency, whether it's a sale, whether it's a purchase of NFT, whether it's a sale, whether it's a minting of NFT, whether it's a transfer of NFT, all of that are recorded in a blockchain. No matter what blockchain it is, but it is recorded in a blockchain. And a blockchain is like a digital ledger, like a digital register. Okay? And this register records every transaction. Every legit transaction that happens in the crypto world or in the Web 3.0 world is recorded in this register. I'll give you one little example and everything is going to be crystal clear. Now let's assume, guys, taking you back to the train example, okay? This is compartment number 1, this is compartment number 2. Let's assume in this block, there were 20 transactions made, okay? And in this block, there were 50 transactions made. But the problem here is that if we want to get a full overview of what's happening, we need to look at both the blocks. We need to look at both the things. That's the way we can get a full overview of the thing. How are we going to do that? We are going to connect these two things, okay? The transactions that ended in this block will be carried forward here. And henceforth, it's going to be moving on and on and on and on. And when all of these blocks are connected to one another, It's a blockchain. So it's simple as that. I'll take you back to the register example. Let's assume in week 1 you have the attendance, in week 2 have the attendance, 3, 4, maybe in week 5 you had the attendance. Now when the next month comes up, the teacher needs to sum up all of these things and she needs to carry forward so as to make her work easy and so as to make the records feasible, easy to understand, and when the final time comes, like the final year comes, she can calculate the total attendance with ease because everything is interrelated. That is exactly what blockchain technology is all about. It's like a big register that's in the computer with the help of the internet. And there are a bunch of computers who are running this, okay, in a peer-to-peer network. Every transaction you make is actually verified by these folks out there. No one knows who these folks are, and these folks are called nodes. I'm going to create a separate lecture on that and it will be really easy. Okay, don't worry. Just focus on the blockchain for this lecture. And every transaction is verified. I'll give you one little example and this will be the last, I promise. If I want to transfer one particular Bitcoin to you, how am I going to do that? I'm going to take your address, like your public address, and I'm going to send it. What is going to happen is that these nodes are going to verify whether Manas has one blockchain to pay his or her student. Okay, and when the transaction happens and I really have one Bitcoin to pay you, there's a new record that is created in the blockchain. And what is that record about? That record is the transfer of one Bitcoin from me to you, from my account to your account. That is what blockchain is all about. It's basically a record of everything in the crypto world. It is the most important thing. It is the most important thing because it is like the internet of our generation. Without internet, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, all are dead. And similarly, without the blockchain, the crypto world and the Web 3.0 world is dead. I hope that was really, really easy. If you've got any questions, do let me know in the Q&A section. I'm always there to help you. Thank you. See you in the next class.